a woman is affected by breast cancer, she can be cured.
Okay.
Important for all women to have the knowledge of self-breast examination.
Good morning everyone. Myself is Shweta Bhagat and today I am at Fortis Memorial Research Institute at Gurgaon. Right now I am with Dr. Suman, who is a senior medical oncologist and currently she is working at Fortis Hospital. She has a vast experience in the solid oncology, in the administration of the dendritic cell therapy and immunotherapy. I welcome you ma'am on the show. Today we are here to discuss about the breast cancer. As we all know, October is the month of the breast cancer awareness, which began in 1985 by Miss Betty Ford, who herself was a survivor and spread the awareness of the disease. So I would like to invite Dr. Suman to please enlighten a few words over the scene.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I would be asking few questions regarding the breast cancer and how one can prevent from the disease. So why is breast cancer such a huge concern for the females?
So breast cancer happens to be one of the commonest cancers affecting the women in India and of course across the world as well. And in India alone, we've got 2 lakh new cases every year, and 1 in 29 women are at risk of developing breast cancer. So it is a huge burden, and if detected early, we can actually offer cure to these patients. However, if it is detected in an advanced stage, there are advances in treatment, so we are able to prolong the life, but we cannot offer a cure to these women. So it's very important to understand that it is an important disease which can be prevented, and if a woman is affected by breast cancer, she can be cured.
Okay. So is breast cancer can only affect the older women or it can affect the younger one also?
So I think a lot of people believe that breast cancer only affects older women, but that's not actually right. Older women have a more predilection to develop breast cancer, but the younger women also have an increased risk, especially if they have any family history, they are at increased risk of developing breast cancer. So it's very important for all women to have the knowledge of self-breast examination and be aware that if there is a lump, they must come and see a doctor to get it evaluated. So both young women and older women can develop breast cancer, and in fact it can be very aggressive in the younger women.
Okay. So what all are the screening tools which is available for an early detection of the disease?
So some of the, I think there are 3 steps in screening. So one is you do a breast self-examination, which is I think very important, and every woman should be aware of how to do a self-breast examination. We don't expect women to do it every day. We would recommend doing it once a month. There are YouTube videos which are available which will tell you how, the technique of doing a breast self-examination. So you need to lie down on a bed and then do it and palpate the breast. So this, you could probably find it in YouTube, and it should be done by all women. So number 2, come to the doctor. So that's a clinical examination of the breast. Now why is this important? Because what you would feel would be a tennis ball size of a lump. What I would feel is a pea-sized lump. So it's very important for you to come to me so that I can detect the lump early on. So I think women after a certain age must get their breasts examined by the doctor as well. Thirdly, we have got the mammogram, and mammogram is a very simple tool which you can use to detect breast cancer, early breast cancer, and it should be done in all women above the age of 40 years. So these are some of the tools which we could use.
Ma'am, I have heard that men can also affect from the breast cancer. Is it true? Or
Yes.
just a myth?
Yes, so a lot of people think males don't get breast cancer, it's only women. Of course, 95% of the women do get breast cancer, but 5% of the men can develop breast cancer, and they're usually hormone positive. So it's not a myth, it's actually true. So males can get breast cancer, and the treatment is more or less the same as the way we treat women with breast cancer.
Okay, it's almost the same kind.
It's almost the same kind, it's mostly hormone positive, and of course lesser number of men get it, but they're more or less treated the same.
Okay. So ma'am, how anyone can prevent themselves from breast cancer?
So for breast cancer prevention, I think it's one of some of the guidelines remain the same, like how you prevent any cancer. So you eat healthy, you exercise, you eat a lot of fruits, you stay away from smoking, stay away from alcohol, Something specific for breast cancer would be probably, you know, getting a woman who is nulliparous. A nulliparous woman is a woman who's not had a baby. So a nulliparous woman is usually more at risk. So if you breastfeed, so when you have a baby and you breastfeed for a longer duration, you are protecting yourself from breast cancer. So certain things like that are specific for breast cancer. But eat healthy, eat clean, don't smoke. I think that should be followed. These are some things that could prevent breast cancer.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much for
It's my
coming here.
pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.